You've told yourself the story, I'm just lazy. But what if that's not true? What if your brain isn't broken? It's just hijacked. Because let's be real, you weren't born lazy, but somewhere along the line, you got addicted. Not to drugs, not even to sleep, but to something way more common: dopamine. You can't focus. You open 5 tabs and forget why. You scroll for hours and still feel restless. And the worst part? You call it laziness. But it's not. It's dopamine fatigue. Your brain is overstimulated and underrewarded. You're not lazy. You're just drowning in low-effort, high-reward loops. You wake up, check your phone, hit with 10 notifications, messages, memes, news, likes. Before your feet hit the floor, your brain's fried. Then you open TikTok, scroll, swipe, laugh, scroll. 5 minutes turns to 40. By the time you start your day, you've already spent all your dopamine. Starting is hard now, because nothing feels rewarding anymore. Why read a book when your brain can binge 10 reels in 60 seconds? Why work out when you can escape into YouTube? You're not lazy. Your brain is just wired for shortcuts. Let's fix it. Not with motivation, but with systems. Start with a dopamine reset. 1 hour. No phone, no notifications. Just sit, walk, write, breathe. It'll feel weird at first, like your brain's itching. That's withdrawal. That means it's working. Now rebuild. Start with boring habits. 10 push-ups, 5 minutes reading, 1 glass of water. Celebrate them. Retrain your brain to crave effort, not escape. Your system isn't broken. It just needs a reboot. So no, you're not lazy. You're overstimulated. And the good news? That means you're not stuck. You don't need to wait for motivation. You just need to break the loop. And if you're ready to try, start small. Start today. Drop a comment. What's one habit you're rebuilding? Like this, if it hit home. And if your brain feels even 1% clearer, subscribe. You're not broken. You're rewiring. Welcome to GrowthDose.